Oh my goodness. Check it out. Rocky Boy's loving it. We're having a real rain bath. Getting soaked. It's awesome. Hail, man. Yeah. Is it nice? Yeah. Woo! Ostrich. Are you gonna be with Rocky? Are you gonna be with Rocky? Not my finger, you silly Billy. He didn't actually bite me then. There's no blood. He just lost his balance. See? He wouldn't do like there's no blood. He just lost his balance. He wouldn't hurt me. You would. She would. No. She's so wet. She's weighted down a bit in the air. She's heavier in the water. Anyway. Oh yeah, and I'm desensitizing Jet to nail polish, so I only have it on one hand. Because you can't fucking handle it, eh? He didn't bite me. No blood. I'll show you both thumbs so you know I'm not trying to trick you. But yeah, no blood. He didn't bite me. He just lost his balance. Mister Lovey Lover. Ooh. Beautiful. He looks like a dragon. He looks like a dragon when he's wet.